welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Didi Love and I'm back with another video. We're gonna hop right into it. If you're new, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you've been rocking, thank you for rocking and welcome back. Yeah, we're gonna get right into it. This little room right here. What's going on with this special room right here? Anywho, baby boy is in the background, so y'all might hear him crying. What we are gonna do today, we are gonna go into here, this room, and we are gonna put clothes up, okay? We are gonna put clothes up, pants together, shirts together, all of that, okay? This is my closet room or closet. It's not even a closet room. Whatever it is, a closet room. I don't know what it is, but it's my closet and I love it. And I thank God for it. But anywho, let's go inside. This is where all the magic happens. Let's turn the light on first. This is where all the magic happens. But yeah, my closet room. It is a closet. My closet is big enough for it to be a room, but my closet room has a door, so I think that's so nice. Get a mirror in here, get it looking real pretty. Thought about putting a vanity in here, but I'm actually gonna put my vanity on the outside of the room. We gotta get started. So what I'm gonna start by doing is just, as you can see, I tried to do a little something. Don't worry about this side. I don't think I'm gonna do anything on this side right now. And we are not getting things pretty or organized. We are literally just taking this stuff out the bags finally so I can see my clothes and so I can pick clothes to wear. I need to start my whole wardrobe over. I'm a completely different size. After I have my last baby, I'm a lot bigger. So we are gonna just start off with the new wardrobe, okay? Get rid of some stuff, which I already went through it and decided that I was gonna keep it. So yeah, so let me wipe these down and let's get started. All right, you guys, back in my closet. You already seen how it looked. Right now, I'm gonna just wipe it down with Lysol wipes. Remember, no one's ever lived in this house before, so I'm the first resident. We're gonna start wiping down everything. So everything is brand new, but I still just wanna wipe everything down. I always love to tell y'all my beautiful vision board. We're not gonna worry about this side over here, like I told y'all. These shelves, that's gonna be for another day. I'm just gonna at least try to get something hung up and get all my clothes put up so I can at least see them. I'm not organizing or making stuff cute right now. I can't wait to start decorating though. So excited. But yeah, y'all. So what I'm gonna start doing is hanging up my coats and stuff. Some of my coats might not even stay in here. I'm not sure. But like I said, today is just getting stuff put up so I can actually see it. You know what I'm saying? Instead of having to dig into bags and stuff like that. So let's get started. And this is only a few hangers. I gotta get a lot more. Got my MacBook, so I'm gonna put some music on. Boyfriend sweater. I stole it. He'll never know. No, he let me wear all his clothes. so comfortable and like super cute, like rock star. I think it's so cute. It's like a half. I love this crop top hoodie, and it says Dreamer. Right, y'all, we gonna start doing this. I have no real idea of how I want to do this, but right now we will just get clothes laid out. I'm gonna just do probably pants, whatever, shirts, whatever, short sleeve, long sleeve, and then we'll go from there. Let's get to it. Some of this stuff probably does still need to go on hangers, but I need to get more hangers, and I'm also going to get a clothing rack in here because I tend to have a lot of clothes. Maybe a clothing rack or two. I don't know. Just go how I do it. It's not gonna be neat or anything, but we're just gonna get this stuff folded. I want to get this little mirror that spins and you can open it, and I think put like jewelry and stuff in it. My auntie has a white one in her room, so I might get that for my closet, and also a clothing rack for my fashion hauls and more space. Or if I'm planning outfits, I can put what I'm wearing on my rack. And that's just a few ideas of what I want. And now I'm just folding dress pants.
Once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. I first, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine to my place, I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
All my panties and bras in here, because like I said, my panties and bras are on here. I'm going to acrylic cases, you know, to put my underwear and bras and all that stuff. So it could be like in my closet. That's probably what I'll do over here on this side. I'll do for this side, I might put like at the bottom my underwear and stuff in acrylic cute baskets. So yeah. Use the top for something, which I don't know yet. Probably more storage. I'm not putting my shoes like on the shelves or, you know, in my closet. My shoes are going to be on a shoe rack, and I want to get one of the shoe things for behind the door where I'm gonna put my hair products in the bathroom, and then I can get one right here for like shoes is what I'm thinking, and maybe a shoe rack. Hey, let's go, Indiana.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life a first aid. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I come to my place.
These are just stretchy pants, athletic pants. These are my dress pants. So far, this is like dresses, jumpsuits, since I don't have a lot of hangers right now. Pajama sets. So far, we'll probably put shorts down here and short sleeve shirts, long sleeve shirts, and this is not staying like this. This is just for now.
Heart it race, so catch me if I fall.
I have any extra jeans right here, just in case. Stretchy dresses and stuff, stretchy stuff. Like dresses, fancy tops.
If I fall.
Oh yeah, scrubs. In case I need these, you never know. And I'm literally finna get acrylic bins probably for this. I'll be back with the finished product for tonight. This is how far I got right now. I do want to come back in here when I order stuff for my closet. So I will be doing that, but this is what I did. Here's how it's looking. I know I try to, do a little something right here. I'm not worrying about right now, so we'll work on that later. But here is what I did do. I started getting stuff together, working on getting stuff just put up so I could see it. I do plan on ordering acrylic bins for my closet. Got this done. I'm so happy we finally got some of this stuff done. But yeah, this is how it's looking. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is what we still got to do since I already went through my stuff. So we are basically getting there. So yeah, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be coming back on here again when I order stuff for my closet and for the house. Make sure you guys just do like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.